Hello everyone. Today, Go&Go is excited to introduce a promising business opportunity in automatic motorbike washing and helmet cleaning, a traditional service industry that's now transforming rapidly thanks to modern technology. Have you ever faced these problems? Long wait times and inconsistent service quality. Bike still dirty even after washing. Dirty helmet, no quick cleaning and sanitizing service available. With Go&Go automatic bike wash and helmet cleaning machines, all these problems are completely solved. This is your golden chance to be a pioneer before the market gets too competitive. The rise of automatic vehicle cleaning, an inevitable trend. Manual washing used to be the norm, labor-heavy and inconsistent quality, long customer wait times, but now automatic washing technology offers major advantage. Only 2 to 3 minutes per motorbike, up to 90% cleaning efficiency compared to hand washing. Requires just one operator. Integrate helmet cleaning, increasing revenue for your shop. Choose the right equipment. Go&Go automatic motorbike washer, ultra fast, 3 to 5 minutes per wash. High pressure water jet for deep cleaning. Built-in vehicle counter for easy management. Low electricity, water and chemical usage. Cost effective. Go&Go helmet cleaning machines. Wash, steam, dry in just 10 to 15 minutes. Hot steam sanitization for odor and bacterial removal. Works with all helmet types. Daily helmet counter for revenue tracking. Offering both service help your shop stand out from the competition. Location matter. 50% of your succeed. Ideal shop locations. Near residential area, markets, malls, and industrial zones. Close to gas stations, parking lots, or busy road. At least 30 square meter, wide frontage, spacious for parking. Strategies to attract customers. Promotion. 50% off during grand opening week. Buy 5 bike washes, get 1 free helmet cleaning. Online marketing. Post video of washing, cleaning process. Run local ad on Facebook, Yellow, TikTok. Encourage customer review on social media check-in. Local business partnership. Coffee shops, oil change station, parking lot. Work with delivery driver and ride-hailing rider for steady traffic. Mistake to avoid. Poor location. Little traffic means no customer. No marketing. People don't know your shop exists. Over-reliance on staff. Automations ensure consistency and reliability. Always build a clear business plan before investing. Take action now. Don't miss this opportunity. Now is the perfect time to open an automatic bike wash and helmet cleaning service. Contact Go&Go to visit our factory and test the machines. Receive expert business consulting. Get full support for installation, training, and lifetime maintenance. Don't wait. Act now to lead the trend and grow a high-profit business.